For over 20 years, Criteria Labs has provided prototype and production chip and wire solutions for military, space, oil and gas, and medical applications. We have the experience and the equipment necessary to assemble die in complex high-frequency RF applications for radar, satellite, telemetry, and high-power assemblies, including integrated microwave assemblies or IMAs, using aluminum and other metallized materials, die carrier assemblies, ceramic LTCC and HTCC hermetic assemblies, high reliability printed circuit boards, and single chip and multi-chip hybrid modules. Our extensive die handling capability includes both automated and manual assembly, enabling our team to adapt to your specific precision, repeatability, and volume requirements. Our automated die attach equipment includes integrated epoxy dispense for conductive, non-conductive, and silver-centered materials, in addition to sheet epoxies. Our die attach methods also include eutectic die attach when copper moly die shim attach is necessary for high-power GaN RF amplifiers. We can also leverage our automated wire bonders for gold and aluminum wire, including wedge, ball, and ribbon bonding. Our RF engineering team can design test probes for wafer probe and die carrier probing, and test fixtures for functional RF tests up to 50 gigahertz, with all the necessary de-embedding and calibration in our test lab. Criteria Labs is based in Austin, Texas, and has over 5,000 square foot of Class 100 clean room. We are ISO 9001, Military 38535, 883, 38534, ISO 17025, and ITAR certified. Partner with us on your next chip and wire assembly project. Our experienced in-house engineering team is quick and nimble with a complete dedication to your project success. For more information, visit us at criterialabs.com.